In this video, we're going to explore the Florida Flywheelers in Fort Meade. It's an antique engine show, so please like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video. This is the Florida Flywheelers Antique Engine Club in Fort Meade, Florida. They have about 3 or 4 shows a year. They also have a Christmas parade where they decorate up the old houses and buildings. It's just basically a large flea market, but they also have antique car show. They have antique engines. Most people bring a golf cart or something to ride around. It doesn't matter. You can't drive a vehicle, but you can drive. I've seen people you see a little tractor there. There's lawnmowers, golf carts, side by side if it's not one of the really big ones. And you just ride around and you can stop at all the little booths. There's food, there's music. They have some of the old engines that they'll start up and show. They have pulls of like tractor pulls and stuff to see how all that works. They have several buildings that are recreations, an old church, old stores, old metalsmith, and cutting wood, a sawmill, and they even usually have llamas there. I didn't see them this time, but usually they have some llamas or something there that you can see, a little petting zoo, and it's just a fun day. It's like $10 to get your golf cart in and $10 per person, or you can rent a golf cart there for like $100 or $150 for the day. It's definitely better than walking, because that's a lot of walking if you're out there, because it's like, I don't know, you could have to go to the website to see how big it is, but it's probably 80 acres or somewhere close to that. And like I said, just a lot of fun. You people buy, like, he's got a wagon wheel there, and just pick up different things, antique stuff, some new stuff. They sell flowers, all kinds of things. They do have RV parking for the vendors, and I think anyone can park there, but you have to go in the day before it starts, which it starts on a Wednesday, and you cannot leave before Sunday because they don't want you driving in and out during the show, and it's Wednesday through Saturday. So it's just a fun day outing to see all this stuff and explore around. And we took the dogs with us, which is fine. You just have to keep them on a leash. And just fun to go out and explore and see it. They do have an old Model T that they will take apart and put back together. So you can watch it. I think in like less than a minute they can put that thing back together. Pretty amazing stuff. And just a fun family day out for you to just hang out and see what's going on, see the different things. There's even like some wood, like I've seen some of the sawmill stuff where you can buy some of the wood boards like if you wanted to use it for cabinets or something. Just all kinds of things. So I hope you enjoy. I kind of cut out a little bit, but I left enough that you can kind of see what's going on there. And I left some of the where you can watch the little bit of the car show, the antique car show. So I hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, all that good stuff.
Feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country Not long ago, you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. across your face. It is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know we did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away. 'Cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. We can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave, brave. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. Brave, 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 brave. Brave, brave, brave.
This is what you were expecting, Mother?
I have a thing for darkness, but you can see with your mind. Even when I have my doubts, you say your love isn't blind. So I can give you shelter, but am I a part of your goals? Maybe none of it matters, 'cause I don't want to let go. I never meant to break a promise. I never meant to run away. But you know how to skip the madness, and I can only press replay. Whatever you see in me, I see times 1,000 in you. I hope you like the flowers. I know it's an old cliche. We'll never have all the answers, again today. I never meant to break a promise. I never meant to run away. But you know how to skip the madness, and I can only press replay. Whatever you see in me, I see times 1,000 in you. I never meant to break a promise. I never meant to run away. But you know how to skip the madness, and I can only press replay. Whatever you see in me, I see times 1,000 in you. I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. Just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or this or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
How much is the weight, man?
Too much.
When we go to bed at night, we won't turn out the light until we made it right. trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me any good, just tore me up into bits. I wish I knew how to call it quits. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. Don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. I've always liked to be a stranger, keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt, but when I met her it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I had never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end, but I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. Oh, I don't wanna let her go. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. I can move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
Lakeview, Indiana.
Yeah, we're going for the wrong golf.
Got in the cars. They got into electric cars first in about 1906. And first they
Look at that, look at that, whatever that is over there. What is that? That yellow thing over there, what is that? Really?
back against that same thing today.
Piece of paint.
Government's trying to poke electric
That was not that
like that. They just said this morning on the TV that they're reducing the price of Ford Mustang $8,000 in electric cars. Here's a 29 Ford Model A Woody Roadster, half load, and driver Larry Roadster, he's one of our directors. The 65 Ford F100, about 100 in Missouri.
He's just gonna pull up and park.
This one says no, but we have others. Price reduced. Nice old Model T here, about a 1917 Dun Hunt from Fort Meade, Florida, Ithaca, New York. Dog's name is Rockstell. He drove this car a 1933 Dash. This is a Roadster Willie to Overland. This is the only known example of this model, and it's Dick and Shirley Hamilton, Wasion, Ohio. Beautiful car. Here's a Model A Shay. This was built in Battle Creek, is where most of them were built, and they're on a Ford Pinto chassis with a little 2300 engine. Some of them are automatic, some of them are stick, and they're a real pleasure to drive. You still got a nice looking old car. Here's a 69 Chevy Chevelle, Renegade Classic, Lakeland, Florida. Real nice. Here's a 34 Model A, Craig Giveback from Newport Richie. I went to school in Newport Richie. Go High Buccaneers. Here's a Chevrolet, another little street rod, a 35 Chevy Coupe, rundown bucket from Lookout Mountain, Georgia. A nice car. Here's a pickup truck, a Ford F100, Bert from Sanford, Florida, 53 Ford, pretty much original landlord. Here's a Maxwell from the car barn in the village. If you haven't been to the village and only been here in the exhibitor field, you're missing one of the best parts of our show. So he's got a lot of cars up there. We have everything in the village you can imagine. So this is a 23 Maxwell, Dennis and Brenda Carmichael, Mims, Florida. This is called a Model T hack. You could buy this car with just the running gear and the hood, and then they could make everything else. And that's kind of what this is all about. And it's a farmer's pickup, the earliest pickup, yep. This is a 1925 George Hand, Pebble, New York. Here's a 29 Model A Roadster pickup, John Harper, Newark, Ohio. Now, the Roadster part means it's got a pull-down top, so I have trouble getting my head around that sometimes. And this would have sold cheaper than one that had a hard top or whatever they had at the time. Here's a Packard. This would have been a rich man's car in his day, a 1920 29 Packard. If you just seen that car going there at 29, this car would have been in the next car lot at the Packard dealer. So 1929 Packard, Bill and Robin Rowan, Hereford, PA, and they're here on their property, and they're volunteers here, and they have the cafe in the village. So if you haven't been up there to their building, make sure you get up there. Here's a 32 Ford Roadster, Jory and Debbie Raber, West Palm Beach, and they run a little Mercury power plant with 3 carburetors. Here's a little Ford Mustang, 96, Kimberly and Bella, Sebring, Florida. My neighbor. Here's another Model A hack, and like I said, if you can see, this one is built a little different than the others. There were car body people that built these wood bodies that would slip right on these, but a lot of them were homemade too. So this is 29, Jim, and he's from Brewster, Vermont, and he looks like he got a little still going on there in the back. There's a military Jeep, 52 military, instead of Willys. M38A Willys Jeep. Here's a Cadillac. 85. Okay, this is Worthington. They got the Worthington Tractor Building up in the village, so make sure you get up there. This is a Florida Flywheelers truck. It's a 1929, 30, 31 to 33. The cab is put together from everything that we could find. So we've got her painted Alice Chalmers for the Alice Chalmers show this year, and it's in honor of his dad, Jack Jefferson. So that's kind of the story here. Now this is a pick-a-up truck, isn't it? Bob and Gene Reynolds, it's Showtime, and they're from Ocala, Florida. Max Superliner, 79. And I don't know what we got going on here. It's a 50s Ford Model T, Vicki Thomas from Cambridge, Ohio. Vicki, what are you up to?
I'm gonna arrest people that get out of line.
Okay, you keep everything in order, okay? Now, that's the end of our car parade. Now, right after this, in about 10 minutes, they'll put that Model T together in the village at the gazebo. So, make sure you get there to the village and see that Model T put together. It's quite a show.
Well, Dale, that was another fine parade. Appreciate you putting that on. Another big thank you to go out to John Hines. What a nice guy. You know who else needs a big thanks? That's Lori Castle, our club photographer, the investigative reporter that you see with the biggest smile on the smallest gal we've got out here. Way to go, Lori Castle. You're a real hero. All right, head on over to the village. Find some space at the gazebo where you can watch the Model T be put together. We've got a team of individuals that take a completely disassembled Model T truck and they get it put together, running and driving in a world record time. That might be a lie. But they do it. After the Model T put together is complete, head over to the classroom where Miss Quaid will be putting on story time. That's at the one-room schoolhouse there in the village. While you're in the village, check out our sawmill. Our sawmill is powered by a 1910 Case 75 horsepower steam engine. The steam engine weighs about got anything to do. And the Alice Chalmers check. This is the Memorial Parade of Power this afternoon. Our feature tractor this show is the Alice Chalmers tractor. At the very beginning of the parade this afternoon, we will be having our annual moment of remembrance, where we'll recognize the friends and loved ones that we've lost over the last year. That's at the parade that's going to be at 2 o'clock this afternoon. If you're running around and you hear those loud tractors running, they're probably down there at the track pulling the sled. If you haven't seen a tractor pull before, make sure you go down there and check that out. We have food vendors located all about the tractor.
I hope you've enjoyed our drive around the Flywheelers, and if you're in Florida and you're here during the winter months, because it's only November, December, January, and I think they have one in February. So, check it out. It's a fun day out. It's a fun ride around. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll see you down the road.